Hello everyone, welcome to Success Mantra by FinTech Consultancy. Your growth is our business. So let's start with today's video. Today we are diving into a topic that forms the very foundation of business legitimacy and governance. Company registration with the Registrar of Companies or ROC. Whether you are a budding entrepreneur, a seasoned professional, or a compliance enthusiast, this session will equip you with the clarity, confidence, and actionable insight. So let's get started. Why choose private limited company? Why do thousands of businesses choose the private limited route? Because it offers the perfect blend of flexibility and protection. You get limited liability, perpetual succession, and a separate legal entity. Investor prefer it, bank trust it, and client respect it. And most importantly, it positions your businesses for serious growth. Whether you are a startup, consultancy, or a manufacturing unit, this structure gives you wings to fly. Pre-incorporation checklist. Before we hit the MCA portal, let's get our house in order. Start with a unique company name. Check its availability online. Get your digital signature certificate and DINs for directors. Draft your MOA and AOV with precision. They are your company's constitution. Decide your company structure and identify your registered office. This is where your strategic thinking meets the legal readiness. Preparation here ensures smooth and error-free registration. Let's start with step-by-step registration process. Now comes the exciting part, actual incorporation. Log into MCA portal and begin with Spice Part A to reserve your name. Then move to Part B. This is where you enter all company details and attach your documents and digitally sign everything. The beauty of Spice Plus is its integration. You get your PAN, TAN, EPFO, ESIC, and even GST registration in one go. Once submitted, you will receive your certificate of incorporation and unique CIN. Congratulations, you're officially a company. Let's talk the numbers. Name registration cost rupees 1000. Spice Plus filing fees range from 0 to 500 depending on your capital. Stamp duties varies by state. Maharashtra is on higher side. PAN and TAN are free. And if you engage a professional, budget rupees 5000 to 15000. It's a modest investment for a lifetime of legitimacy and opportunity. Once incorporated, don't sit back. Act fast. File your commencement of business form number INC20A within 180 days. Open your bank account and issue share certificates. Appoint your first auditor using form number ADT1. Set your statutory register and display your company name and CIN at your office. These steps aren't just a procedural, they are foundation to your company's governance. Compliance is not a one-time affair, it's a rhythm. Every year you will file your financials via AOC 4 and your annual return via MGT 7. Director must complete their KYC by September 30. Auditor appointment and MSME disclosures each has its own timeline. Missing all this, that's rupees 100 per day per form. So build a compliance calendar and automate reminder to stay ahead of the curve. Let's talk about consequences. Late filing attract 100 rupees per day. Director can be disqualified and company can be struck off. And worst of all, your reputation takes a hit. In today's ecosystem, compliance isn't just a legal, it's a strategic. It's what separates the credibility from the questionable. Why does compliance matters? Because it builds a trust with banks, investors, regulators, and clients. It protects directors from personal liability. It opens the door to government schemes like Startup India and MSME benefits. And it ensures smooth due diligence when you are ready to scale or raise funds. So, how do we stay ahead? Maintain a compliance calendar, use automation tools, and conduct quarterly internal audits. Engage a qualified company, educate your director, and most importantly, document everything. Compliance isn't a burden, it's a badge of honor. It's reflect your commitment to excellence.
For more queries and assignments, you can reach out to us on Fidelity.
And that's a wrap on complete video on private limited company registration with ROC. For more updates, subscribe Success Mantra by Fintech Consultants.